Happy holidays from the Laser Channel. My name is Greg, and I hope that you've got some fantastic plans for this upcoming holiday season with friends, family, and of course, celebrating your holiday. It's also a great opportunity to take advantage of all the holiday sales that are currently going on. Currently, TOOCAA is offering some of the best sale prices on both machines and accessories. And personally, I took advantage of this sale by purchasing the smart camera system, something that I was wanting to get for this machine, and this sale is the perfect opportunity. We'll check out this camera system a little bit in this video. And by the way, if the machine or any of the accessories are of interest to you, I will have product links down below for your convenience. I think a camera system is one of the neatest and oftentimes overlooked accessories on a laser machine. Not only does it allow me a great top-down view to accurately place my graphics when I'm working in the computer, it allows me to get the maximum use of my scrap material by being able to see where the material is and then getting that visualization in the computer on just exactly how I can fit my graphic. And that way I get the maximum use out of all of my material, which in turn saves me even more money. We'll do a quick close-up look at this camera system, and then I'll get it installed and we'll just see what a camera system looks like on the TOOCAA L2 laser machine. This is the top of the camera. This case is going to be all aluminum construction, and when we get to the business end, there's a nice rubberized cover for when I'm not utilizing the camera system so that the lens stays cleaner much longer. Attachment of the camera system over to the machine, that's right there, is done easily with just 2 mounting screws, and these mounting holes are already on the top of the laser machine. Oh, and by the way, check out the huge lens on this camera. This is one of the biggest lenses that I've seen on a camera system, and it's sure to give us some great resolution with some crisp, clean detail. As I just mentioned, the physical installation of the camera is really easy with the mounting holes already on the enclosure. That ease of installation also continues when I go into Lightburn software. This camera has a preset within Lightburn software that allows me to skip one whole step during the calibration process of the camera, further speeding up the installation. Installation of the camera is a breeze and it continues inside Lightburn. I'm going to go over to camera control and select the TOOCAA smart camera for L2. And it already pops an image up on this preview screen, but we need to do one step for the calibration. I'll go over to laser tools, calibrate camera lens, and this is where some of the other magic happens with this smart camera. I've already got it selected. It's on fisheye lens. And use preset. I can drop this menu down and I want 5MP60. And that allows me to skip all of the steps where I'd have a dot pattern that I need to move it around to, I think it's upwards of 9 or 10 different positions. It doesn't take too much time, but if I don't have to do it, I'll take it. I do recommend doing the second part of the camera calibration, and that is to align the camera. And that is going to print a test engraving image, and then we're going to associate that test engraving that the camera sees to what the software sees, finishing up the installation. And less than 5 minutes later, the calibration engraving is all complete, and this finishes out the calibration process within Lightburn software, and I'm now ready to start using the smart camera system. Thanks for joining me in this video, and I hope that you and your family have a safe and happy holiday. If you have any questions about anything that you saw in this video, let me know down below, and don't forget to give this video a like. And until I see you again in the next video, learn, create, and share.